Alright, my friend. Thank you.
Tanner, what's your middle initial?
Did you get a signature?
I did not.
M.
M. Okay.
Are you gonna, do you want transported by ambulance? No. Can I get a signature from you that says you're okay with me leaving then? Yep. Yeah, right there with the pad of your finger. Thank you, sir. That'll work. Can I walk home now? That's
So I'm gonna have some questions for you, Tanner. So I'm Officer Denlow with the Richland Police Department.
What did I do?
You obviously parked your car up on a block there.
That's not my car.
That's not your car? You weren't driving that?
No.
You weren't driving at all?
Nope.
Who was driving that?
I don't know.
Okay. So you're just sitting next to a crashed car?
Not me.
Oh, they already added it. Okay. You have ID on you? So you guys didn't see it, you just pulled up?
He was in the car, we didn't see the crash.
You were in, he was in it?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm retired out of West Richland for 15 years.
Yeah, I heard you say that.
Yeah.
You don't have your wallet? Okay. What's up?
Wheels still turning.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got out of the car, I took the car off.
No.
Had a good conversation at the tea room for the past few hours.
Okay.
I didn't see any ID or alcohol or anything in the car.
Okay.
I know I can't.
Right. Mind if I get a picture of your ID or just a contact phone number for you?
Absolutely not. Like I said, dispatch knows me.
Yeah.
I retired in 2013.
Gotcha. I'll just... Yeah, just coming on shift.
Yeah, that's what I was telling her. I'm like, they're at shift change.
Yep. What's a good phone number for you?
509-851-3589.
If somebody said,
Could you do a written statement? Do you have time?
oh yeah,
Okay. I'm gonna wait till my
This guy.
partner gets here.
we're literally just, we live right there.
Oh, okay.
So
We were coming home from the gym and getting ready to turn into the park and saw this. And
yeah,
Hey, Smitty, can you grab a written statement for the witness?
as long as you need us, we're here.
Yeah, just the written that you guys had the conversation. So.
Yep.
You need me to move, so
Oh no, you're fine for right now. Also, who's the RO on the vehicle when the call is made? So you don't have your wallet on you?
No.
Okay. So, how much have you had to drink today?
It's in my,
It's gonna be a Washington University plate 1515 boy. So, how much have you had to drink? Sorry, I kind of cut you off there. You haven't had any? You're denying drinking at all?
No.
Okay. I don't know if I said at the beginning.
I'm not drinking. I'm just like saying,
You're just not going to talk to me?
no,
Or would you do voluntary field sobriety test?
I will not.
You will not? Would you do a voluntary PBT? A preliminary breath
Nope.
test? No? None of that?
No.
If we took you to the jail and did the Draeger test, would you do that?
Yes, I would.
The official one? Should just be a William W in front.
Because why?
Because you obviously crashed. You're slurring your speech. You can't sit still.
No,
you're swaying as you're sitting.
No,
So you're showing me indications that you have been drinking, if you'd let me finish my sentence. So they said you're diabetic and you're at 50, which isn't low enough to cause something like this. So you're showing me signs of intoxication.
I didn't say
I have a witness saying that you were in the driver's seat as they pulled up with the wheels still spinning. So based on all of those things, I believe that you were driving under the influence. So if you...
Fair enough.
So have you had a DUI before?
Yes.
Okay. So you're familiar with this process then? Okay. Just hang tight for me. Robert, something like that. Can you run a touch of plate for me? going to be a university plate, University of Washington, 1515 boy.
I was not driving that car.
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So when I run it, who's it going to come back to?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. If you could...
Hello.
Go ahead. I just need the RO information.
Just so you don't know who that car is.
Copy, thanks. So the car does come back to you as the registered owner, so...
What?
Yeah.
That car comes back to me.
Yeah, it's registered to you.
What kind of car is that?
I don't know. It's your car.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, it's your car.
No.
It's not?
No.
So why would the Department of Licensing say that it's your vehicle, registered to the address that you gave the fire department, and same name you gave the fire department?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
What kind of car is that?
I don't know.
What is it? Is it a Cadillac?
And your first name's Tanner, right? Or is that your last
Is that
name?
a Cadillac?
Yeah,
Yeah, alright, that's what I thought.
that's your car. Okay.
Yeah.
Is your first name Tanner, or
Terry.
it's T-E-R?
T-E-R-Y.
Terry Tanner. Okay. And can you confirm your date of birth for me?
11/8/62.
Okay. Okay. Just hang tight for me.
It's the exact same thing I have.
So they didn't see him driving. They only saw him on the block. And he's saying it's not his car, but it comes right to him. So
But they saw him in the car.
They saw him
driving,
in-
but off of it.
they saw the wheel spinning as he was on the block. So
So it was definitely applicable.
physical control, yeah, because he's not. But not. I don't think DUI because no one saw him on the roadway unless they had cameras that would have caught it. So, and this is not his first time.
Oh, absolutely.
Yep. So that's what I'm thinking as well. He said no to SMSTs, no to PBT. Said he will do it at the jail. So.
Okay.
I need to let him touch it, but I'll do that in the car once I get him in there. So. Anything else you can think of?
Does he have someone going to come to the car, or does he want us to
I can
have
ask.
a Terry?
Yeah. Hey Terry.
Yeah.
Do you have someone that can come get your car for you, or do you want to have us get a tow truck come in?
I can get somebody to get it if I can get home. What are we looking at?
So, it's going to take a tow truck to get that off of there, right?
Right.
So do you have a preferred tow company, or do you have someone that has a tow truck that can get that off?
Anybody?
Anybody?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right, Terry, go ahead and sit.
Taken care of.
Yep, we'll make sure. Go ahead and stand up for me.
What's that?
Go ahead and stand up for me. Go and put your hands behind your back.
Yep.
Step forward for me. Thank you. Just gonna double lock these so they don't tighten up on you. Okay, at this point, you're being detained for physical control, okay,
Okay.
of the vehicle. It's your vehicle. It's parked up on the block. We have a witness saying that you were in the driver's seat when the wheels were moving, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna walk back there, over there. We're gonna walk that way. go and turn for me. I'm gonna search you, okay? Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me in any way?
Oh,
You don't know?
there's something down low.
Something down low, okay.
Again.
Take your hat off. Come on, grab the bag for me. Just on the inside of that, I'll hold the button. Should be good. Oh! Don't stand still for me.
I'll find there.
That's not a service we offer.
Alright, go ahead and take a seat.
Always ask.
Go and get 1 foot in first, and then slide over. Probably not the easiest way.
Here's the RO for whatever the plate came back to.
Yep.
I would go right now, and I'll take care of the witnesses, the car, and all the rest.
Okay, the key is on that second cinder block. See the silver piece facing us? I took it off his hood just so it didn't go flying off. It's like it's right there on that block. You should be able to find it. And then just gotta run him, attach him, and DWI back there. Hopefully it's not the third.
What's our file number?
Good. Copy, thank you.
Can I get my file number, please?
I'm joining 000444. Maybe there's a guy.
King 91 dispatch traffic, Washington and 6. Washington and 6 with Boy 12111, William.
Robert, 75 to Benton County Metro Control. Could I get your front gate and side part, please?
Good.
You want to slide your foot out? I'll give you a hand, okay?
Yep.
You alright? Can you stand up?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, let's walk over here. Just watch your step on that cardboard. Hang on right here while I... Hang on. Let me close the door. Alright, we're going to walk to that door, okay? I'll hold you. Alright, I'm going to leave my laptop up there. Actually, I need it. Can you stand? Just walk back, turn for a second. Let me grab this.
Hold.
Yep. I need this for the room, so. Alright. We can go slow. We don't no rush, okay?
No rush.
Keep going a little bit. I gotta push that button, okay?
Alright.
And I want to make sure you don't fall, because this floor is not very nice. I know. I looked you up. I'll say I know. Okay.
Which one would you bring me?
Yeah, it's Robert 75. I got Terry Tanner. All right, we're gonna go to the second room. Okay. Take our time. Okay. I don't want you falling over.
Yep.
I'll get the cuffs off you, and you can take a seat. Okay.
Right here.
Yep, right in here. Oh, we don't have a chair. That's gonna be my chair. Let's go to the next one, okay? Let's go back out. They moved the chairs on us. All right. Oh, easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me set that down. Just. I don't want you falling, okay? So just, if you need to sit down before we do this, we can. But. You need me to help you take a seat? You got it? No, over here. This is you. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, can you open your mouth? Make sure nothing's in there. Open and wide. Lift your tongue up. Thank you. 1916. Like I said at the door, I looked you up, I know. It is what it is. So. That's me. So I think you said back there that you've been through this before, so I have to read these things to you, okay? I'll go through. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Sure.
It's a lot to read, so just bear with me. The suspect was lawfully arrested at the time. There were reasonable grounds to believe the person arrested had been driving or was in actual physical control of a motor vehicle within the state under the influence of intoxicating liquors and or drugs, or both, or was under the age of 21 and had been driving or was in actual physical control of a motor vehicle while having an alcohol or THC concentration in violation of RCW 4661-503. After receipt of any applicable warnings required, the person, that's a refusal. So, I'll provide you with this back form. So that's a DUI hearing. You said you've had one before, so I don't know if you've seen this form before. It's just your right to a hearing with the Department of Licensing. And
I did not refuse.
You haven't refused. I'm not saying that. I was reading through this, and this is more of a refusal part. You haven't refused. I understand that. I am saying this is given to you. This is going with you in your with you. Okay. That is the only thing you're signing for at this point. So this will go with you, and the signature on this page is just for that piece of paper.
Right.
So.
I'm not refusing.
You're not refusing, and I understand that. So, it's just a checkbox saying driver's hearing request was given to the arrested person. So, just your signature right there for now.
Okay.
And it's 1-2. 2 of 23. Okay. You don't have a CDL. I didn't see that you have a CDL, so I'll go do that. I'll fill out my portion here in a little bit. So that's 2, 3. Okay, so this is your constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right at this time to talk to an attorney. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You are not under the age of 18, so we'll go past that. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering any questions. You have the right to have an attorney present during the questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost if you so desire. You can exercise these rights at any time. Do you understand these rights?
Okay.
Okay. So this signature is just that I have read these to you. So it's just I have read or have had read these rights to me. So just that signature right there. Okay. And then are you going to want to talk to a lawyer before this? No, you're okay. This next line, I understand my constitutional rights. I have decided not to exercise these rights at this time. Any statements made by me are made freely, voluntarily, and without threats or promises of any kind. Would you agree to that?
I agree.
Okay, I will sign this line, and then that one is for you. Oh, sorry. Yep. Yes, sir. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, so that was my partner that was out there with me. The tow truck driver, when he got to your vehicle to move it, located your wallet with a bunch of cash in it. So in order to protect that, he's going to bring it here to be able to put with your property. Does that sound fair? It has your ID and your judge ID as well, all that things. So those will come here. He's on his way with that. So that's 1, 2 of 23 at 19:25 hours.
at the okay. All right. Okay, some more stuff I have to read to you. Warning, you are under arrest for RCW 46-61-504, driving or being in actual physical control of a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating liquors and or drugs. Further, you are now being asked to submit to a test of your breath, which consists of 2 separate samples of your breath taken independently to determine alcohol concentration. You are now advised that you have the right to refuse the breath test, and that if you refuse, your driver's license, permit, or privilege to drive will be revoked or denied by the Department of Licensing for at least 1 year, and your refusal to submit to this test may be used in a criminal trial. You are further advised that if you submit to the breath test and the test is administered, your driver's license, permit, or privilege to drive will be suspended, revoked, or denied by the Department of Licensing for at least 90 days. If you are age 21 or over and the test indicates the alcohol concentration of your breath is 0.08 or more, or if you're in violation of RCW 46-61-502, driving under the influence, or RCW 46-61-504, physical control of a vehicle under the influence, or under the age of 21 and the test indicates an alcohol concentration of your breath is 0.02 or more, or you are in violation of RCW 46-61-502, driving under the influence, or RCW 46-61-504, physical control of a vehicle under the influence. If your driver's license, permit, or privilege to drive is suspended, revoked, or denied, you may be eligible to immediately apply for ignition interlock driver's license. You have the right to additional tests administered by any qualified person of your own choosing. And this is, so you are not driving commercial, so if your driver's license is suspended, it was revoked, your commercial driver's license, if anyone will be disqualified, which you are not. So same thing as before. Had these read to you, or just I have read or had these read to you. So just right there. Okay, thank you. Will you now submit to a breath test?
I will.
Yeah, okay. You have not said any concerns. And I will fill that out later, so we're going to start this. And that will start 9, 6. 3 minutes to wait for the observation period. Like I said it before, just keep your hands away from your mouth, all of those things, just so we don't have to restart for 15 minutes. I'm trying to make this as expeditious as possible, and like I said,
I know all of it.
I know, and once I found that out, that's why I'm not giving you a hard time. Let's just get this over with, right? So, appreciate you being cooperative with us, but it is what it is, right? It's, so.
She does. For me and you.
Believe me. I know.
Well, for me.
Yeah, I know. So, yeah. This one. Some of this while we're waiting. Alright.